Hello everyone, this is Taylor of Rejuve Medical Fitness, and today we're doing a 3-minute straight out of bed workout challenge. So this is going to be great for those who are ready and excited to work out the second they wake up in the morning, and I guarantee if you do this one regularly, it's going to leave you feeling great for the rest of the day. Okay, so this workout begins the second you bring the covers off of you. You're going to pull your heels in, and you're going to be driving the hips up towards the ceiling to do a glute bridge. We're doing this technique for 30 seconds. We are focusing on activating those glute muscles, holding at the top for a full second, lowering down. Breathing out, tightening the core, holding for that full second, as many as you can in 30 seconds. Perfect. And just a nice exercise for the hips without using the low back. So just lifting up high enough where you feel a nice straight line from the knees to the shoulders. Second technique, you're going to bring your legs up and you're just doing a heel tap. So this is a nice core exercise, lowering down, tapping, bringing the knees back together. And some of you may prefer to put your fingertips underneath your back so you can feel your low back press into them. That way you keep a nice stable or neutral low back. If you want to make this a little tougher as well, you can straighten the leg. But it's a nice little core exercise to begin with. Breathe out as you extend that leg. And awesome. Okay, so the next technique begins as soon as you bring your feet off the edge of the bed. You're going to be doing a sit to stand. So you're just simply bringing the hands forward, bringing the hips back, sitting into the bed, driving the hips forward, coming back up tall. You're going to do this for 30 seconds at a nice moderate speed. Breathing in, breathing out. Sitting the hips back, making sure to not let those knees collapse inwards, gently pressing outwards through the knees. Perfect, just nice squats at a nice comfortable speed. Excellent, and then on to the next technique. We're going to be doing chest openers. So we're going to have our elbows close to our sides. We're opening out wide, holding for 2 seconds, bringing it back in, breathing out, squeezing those shoulder blade muscles, bringing the hands back together. Elbows are going to stay close to the sides. This is a great postural exercise. Helps you get up nice and tall. Breathing out, opening, squeezing those shoulder blades. Excellent, almost there. And awesome, there we go. On to the next move for 30 seconds. We're going to do a punch and rotate. So I'm just going to take my right hand, I'm going to punch across the body, going from side to side, getting a nice twist, reaching up high, punching, and you can even take that rear hand and punch in behind you at the same time. It's a nice exercise to get a nice rotation through the core and to stretch through your lats as you reach up high and across. Breathing out as you punch across. Twisting through the hips, turning on the feet. 30 seconds. Awesome, there we go. And on to the final technique. We're just going to do a thoracic extension or another kind of chest opener here. Elbows are going to point forward. We're going to open up, do a little arch through the upper spine, and then bring the elbows back together. Breathing out, opening the elbows wide, lifting your sternum or the center of your chest upwards, and then closing up. Breathing out, opening, holding for a second. Back together. Nice exercise once again to open up through the tight muscles in the front of the body. Perfect. Get that nice squeeze with the shoulders, drawing them back and out. And awesome. Okay, and that's the entire workout. It's 3 minutes and it's nice and easy to do. Something you can definitely do every morning, and I guarantee if you do that one regularly, you're gonna feel great. Let me know in the comments if you were able to try that out and let me know how it goes. Hope to see you in the next video soon.